umcwaningimabhuku omkhulu waseNingizimu Afrika uTsakani Maluleke ethula umbiko wakhe wakamumva wendlela ezikhulu zikahulumeni eziphethe ngayo imali yabantu bakuleli.
On irregular expenditure, what was reported in the financial statements by the departments and the public entities amounted to a combined figure of 166.85 billion rand. This increasing from last year's 109.82 billion rand.
Umaluleke uthi cishe ibe ngamabhiliyoni amabili amarandi imali emoshiwe iminyango ehlukene kahulumeni kuthi imali ekhokhwe ngokungekho emthethweni yona ibalelwe kumabhiliyoni amathathu amarandi.
When we talk about the financial health of departments, which is an area that we talk about every single year, we often reflect on the unauthorized expenditure. This year, unauthorized expenditure remains high at a total of 3.2 billion rand, mostly due to overspending on the budget that's been allocated.
Umnyango wezempilo osakhongethwe ihlazo lezinsolo zenkohlakalo ebandakanya inkampani Digital Vibes eyaholela ekushiyeni isikhundla kwalowo wengqongqoshe wezempilo kuleli uDokotela Mkhize kanye nomnyango wezemfundo ihlatshwe kakhulu umcwaningimabhuku omkhulu.
The key service delivery departments of health, education, and public works have the poorest financial health of all, and this affects their ability to deliver services to citizens. In total, these departments incurred 90% of all of the unauthorized expenditure I just talked about.
Yibhange lentuthuko iDevelopment Bank of Southern Africa kuphela inkampani kahulumeni ekhishwe phambili umcwaningimabhuku omkhulu, kanti uMaluleke uthi usedlulisele amacala amaningi kwabezomthetho ukuthi baphenye izinsolo zenkohlakalo. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC eGoli.